Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos por ahí haciendo otra actividad, por eso les voy a dejar esta pequeña tarea. Iban a ser de los dos libros, pero nada más va a ser de uno, del Student Book. Déjenme, se los pongo por aquí, creo que es la página 8, sí, es la página 8 de su libro, eh, y es el Student Book, es este de aquí, de la página, page 8, y vamos a acomodar estos stickers que vienen en la parte de atrás también. Las pegatinas, los stickers están también ahí marcados y dicen para qué página es, están en la parte de atrás, aquí, ¿ok? Esos son los que vamos a acomodar. ¿Cómo lo vamos a hacer? We have to listen to the audio, este audio que viene aquí. Yo se los voy a poner para que ustedes acomoden esos stickers. Hay que oír, completar aquí abajo con las palabras que tenemos en el rectangle. Así que allá va el audio. ¿Listos? Ready?
One.
Go.
Oh man,
What's wrong, Mark?
I need a ride back to school. I left the research for my writing assignment in my locker.
Can't Mom take you?
She doesn't feel well, so she's taking a nap. I don't want to bother her.
I can take you.
What? No, you can't. You haven't gotten your license yet.
What are you talking about? I got it yesterday.
Huh? Nobody told me that.
Wake up, man. That's the big news around here.
Well, take me then. Let's go.
2.
Then we'll see who's the fairest of them all.
Pilar, I thought you had a book report to do. Why are you watching TV?
I'm just resting, Dad.
Resting? You haven't done anything yet today.
That's not true. I had breakfast.
I'll bet you haven't taken Bucci for his walk yet.
No, I haven't. How'd you guess?
Just look at him, the poor guy. And I'll bet you haven't started reading your book yet, right?
No, I haven't.
Pilar, TV off.
Okay, I'll go walk the dog.
3.
Hi, Shitan. What's up? I just met the new exchange student. Really? I haven't seen him yet. Where's he from?
It's not a he, it's a she. She's from Finland. She's really nice.
Nice, huh? Is she smart too?
Really smart. I've talked to her.
In English?
Of course in English. I haven't thought of learning Finnish yet. Maybe I will.
You're crazy. You haven't even mastered English yet.
Because I haven't found my motivation to master English. Finnish is different. I'm sure I'll learn it fast.
Yeah.
4.
Hey, Dawn. Have you seen that Farm Boys music video on YouTube yet? No, I haven't. What are you talking about? This 9-year-old farm boy sings to Call Me Maybe, but he's changed the words. Oh, that song has had so many versions. I'm getting tired of it. This one's totally adorable. It's all about his life on the farm. You have to watch it. Okay, I'll check it out. I've learned a few farm words from that song, like a heifer has no babies. And now I know what a silo is. Nice way to learn new words. I know.
Ok, ahí están las 4. We have 4 sentences. Remember, cuando lo pongan, acuérdense que los verbos cambian de forma. Hay que ponerlos en pasado participio. Así que tengan mucho cuidado con eso. No queda get, no queda met, no queda see, ni walk. Acuérdense cómo deben de quedar en pasado participio, ¿ok? Nos vemos en la próxima clase, el día de mañana. See you later, guys. Have a great afternoon. Bye.